1967 Ford F-250 Long Bed Camper Special. Price $21,150. Location Colorado. The 1967 Ford F-250 Long Bed Camper Special is a true symbol of rugged American engineering, built in an era when trucks were designed to work hard and last for generations. Finished in its original factory colors of Wimbledon white and frost turquoise, this classic pickup stands out with a timeless two-tone look that instantly captures attention wherever it goes. The heart of this vintage machine is a powerful V8 engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a raw and authentic driving experience. The floor-mounted shifter adds a hands-on feel that connects the driver directly to the road, making every drive engaging and memorable. This setup reflects the truck's original purpose as a reliable workhorse, capable of handling tough jobs with ease. The exterior design remains true to classic Ford styling, featuring chrome trim, factory emblems, and a bold chrome front bumper. At the rear, a diamond plate bumper enhances durability and functionality, while the 16-inch MB Motorsports aluminum wheels, wrapped in Corsa highway terrain tires, give it a ready-for-anything stance. This truck doesn't just look good, it's built to perform. The interior maintains its vintage charm with a simple and functional layout. A classic bench seat, 3-spoke steering wheel, and a period-style Panasonic radio create a nostalgic atmosphere. Manual windows, vent windows, dual mirrors, and a fender-mounted antenna all highlight the straightforward and practical design philosophy of the 1960s. The Camper Special package makes this truck even more versatile, originally engineered to handle the added weight of a truck-mounted camper. With upgraded suspension and wiring, it's perfect for both work and adventure, offering flexibility that modern trucks often try to replicate. The extensive service history, with over $38,000 in documented maintenance from 1992 to 2025, shows a level of care that is rarely seen. This kind of attention ensures that the truck remains in strong mechanical condition, giving peace of mind to its next owner. The 1967 Ford F-250 Long Bed Camper Special is more than just a classic truck. It's a piece of history that still delivers performance, reliability, and timeless style. Whether you're a collector, an enthusiast, or someone looking for a unique and capable vintage pickup, this truck offers an opportunity that doesn't come around often.